At first sight, the aircraft that we're seeing in front of us looks like it could be a Tiger Moth. In fact, the wings and much of the fuselage are exactly the same as the Tiger Moth, and you can see the Gipsy Major engine driving it as it taxis around towards us. But as she turns round, you'll notice something a bit different, because this is a variation of the Tiger Moth called the DH83 Fox Moth. First flew in 1932 because of the demand for aircraft that would carry more passengers. Inspired by Hillman Airways, amongst others, the decision was taken to alter the Tiger Moth fuselage and put a passenger cabin in there so that you can have a number of passengers in comfort with the pilot right at the back, still able to fly the aeroplane. So, inspired by the work that Arthur Hagg had done, this was the famous Fox Moth, and it proved that the idea of comfortable passenger flying in aircraft of the 1930s was feasible. It didn't last that long, however, because having proved that the Fox Moth was a great idea, de Havilland then said, let's build something with two engines and a proper fuselage, and that led to the famous 84 Dragon. So this is the stepping stone between the Tiger Moth, the Dragon, and later on the famous Dragon repeat. This is the Fox Moth. 1932 was a very special year for de Havilland. It saw the introduction of the Fox Moth, which was a version of the Tiger Moth with a passenger cabin for a couple of people. So successful was that later on in 1932 they introduced the replacement for the Fox Moth, the DH84 Dragon. The 84 Dragon was in fact a new fuselage design, a couple of the Gipsy Major engines, and was able to handle 6 passengers. It was first used by Hillman Airways, who pioneered the idea of travel in the same way as you're traveling by a coach. The DH84 Dragon, as many people know, was subsequently replaced by the 89A Dragon Repeat.